So over here you can see that I have a picture and this picture is a bit blurred. To be specific, there is a motion blur to this picture because the camera shaked a little when the picture was taken. So by using Photoshop elements, what you can do is you can remove out this motion blur as well. So to do that, you need to go under Enhance right here. So when the picture is there selected, you can go to Enhance right here and then you can go around onto Adjust Sharpness. So once you do that, over here you can see that the Gaussian blur is being removed right now. But what I want to do is I want to remove the motion blur in specific. So I'm going to go to Remove and select Motion Blur right here. So once I do that, I can go around and change around the amount of blur that I want to remove, as you can see, and work around with the radius as well. And you can see it is much more sharper than what we started with. If I were to remove the preview, then this is what you have. But if I were to turn on the preview, you can see that motion blur is a bit corrected and it is much more sharper. You can go around, change out the angle in specific to change around the motion blur as well. Work around with the radius right here as well to change around the blur level. So let me just go around and keep the radius a bit much right here, and you can increase and decrease the amount right here just like this, and motion blur will be corrected just like that. And that is how you can remove out motion blur inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.